TVK. It has got all to do with what you do, what your leader does, what the workers of TVK supporters will do. He is not a leader, political leader for me. He is the new hope for Tamil Nadu. About TVK and PK, what it means. A lot of people think that TVK with PK has a better chance to win. A lot of people are also anxious what it would do. A lot of you would also be skeptical. Does it even add anything? Let me tell you at the beginning, your victory or the final result, whatever it may be, has got nothing to do with PK. It has got all to do with what you do, what your leader does, what the workers of TVK supporters will do. Then why I am here? 4 years I have not stepped in this domain. Last time I have worked with any leader or any party was in 2021, and it so happened it was Tamil Nadu only. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. After which I retired. I announced my retirement from what I used to do, and media used to call it political strategy. Then after 4 years, why I am here? I am not here to strategize for TVK. You don't need my strategy. I am not here to help my brother, my friend Vijay, because he doesn't need that help. I am here because I truly feel that my announcement has been that I will not work with any leader or party. But then Vijay is not a leader. He is not a leader, political leader for me. He is the new hope for Tamil Nadu. And that's why I am here. TVK is not a political party for me. It's a movement of millions of those who want to see a new political order. A new political order in Tamil Nadu. Enough of what you have been seeing in last 30-35 years. It's time for change, and TVK under the leadership of Vijay represents the change, the hope, and that's why I am here. I am here. I would love to see Tamil Nadu. Actually, last many years I have been studying Tamil Nadu. I don't speak Tamil, but I do understand little bit. And one thing I can promise you, next year, when TVK wins, next year, when TVK wins, and many of you sitting on the both sides, many of you become the policy makers, the rulers, under the leadership of none other than your leader, Vijay. When I will return here to give a thank you speech, it will be in Tamil. It will be in Tamil. I will make every effort to learn, to speak enough Tamil to come and thank people of Tamil Nadu after victory of TVK in 2026 in Tamil. You see, there is so much of chatter in the name of MS Dhoni. He is the only Bihari who is more popular than me in Tamil Nadu. Dhoni is more popular in Tamil Nadu than Prashant Kishore, but make no mistake, next year when I contribute and I help you win, then I will be taking over Dhoni in popularity. Do you agree or not? Do you? No, not everyone has not answered. If I help TVK win next year, who would be more popular in Tamil Nadu? My fellow Bihari MS Dhoni, who makes win Chennai Super King every time, or Prashant Kishore? So you see, so I have my own battle to win. I have to become the most popular Bihari in Tamil Nadu. So I have to compete with Mr. Dhoni, who makes Chennai Super King win. I will make TVK under your leaders win. So that is why I am here. That is why I am here. My dear friends, thank you very much. Just two more things. If you want to win, please adopt 3 C's. Courage, compassion, and commitment. You need to have the courage to stand against the injustice. You need to have, we all need to have the compassion for the citizens who are left behind. For whatever reason, we need to stand for them. We need to lend our helping hand so that they also come up in their lives. And last but not the least, the commitment. I see a lot of exuberance here. 3 years and you are still cheering. But with the exuberance, you need the commitment. So make one commitment today that in next 100 days, you will grow TVK 10 times. Now, I don't hear enough clap and resolve. In next 100 days, each one of you, those who are here in this meeting hall and those who are listening from all over Tamil Nadu and beyond, please make a resolve that in next 100 days, that is roughly 3 months, you will add at least 10 new members to TVK family. Everyone raises the hand and takes this resolve. Are you with me or not? 10 new people should join TVK in next 100 days. Yes or no? So TVK Kutumbam becomes 10 times bigger in a straight 3 months. Can you promise this to your leader? You are promising this to your leader. So after 3 months when we meet, TVK will be 10 times bigger than what it is.